Hi, it's Jez from First Coding, and here we have another quick tutorial on Scratch. We're going to be learning about gravity today. Gravity will cause a character to jump in a certain way. We all know how to make a character glide up and down, but when we apply gravity, the behavior of our jump will change. So the way we jump in real life is we accelerate quickly. We come to a stop or slow down when we reach the top of our jump before accelerating back down to earth. And that's what we're going to be learning about today, making our jumps in games more realistic. First off, however, we are going to need something to jump from and land on. So I'm quickly in my backdrops just going to put together a quick black rectangle at the bottom of the screen, and that's going to be the floor in which we launch ourselves from and in which we land. Okay, so I'm going to stick with the cat here. And the first thing we're going to need is obviously the green flag. We will then move into our control blocks and we'll grab a forever loop. And we're going to need some means of indicating to Scratch that we want to jump. So I'm going to use an if, okay, and just grab the usual sensing block to say that we're going to use the arrow key, the up arrow key to jump. Now, for gravity is going to need one variable created, okay, and I'm going to call it velocity, okay, velocity or speed or whatever. And it's this which will govern how fast we jump up to start with. It'll start decreasing the higher we go with our jump, and then it will start causing us to accelerate back down to earth. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set velocity to a value of 4. Now you can play around with these values and tweak them slightly, but we're going to start with 4, and we are going to change, not set, we're going to change y by velocity. Okay, so that's going to kick us off, jumping really quick, and the way we handle the management of gravity is all done in this repeat loop, and we're going to keep repeating until we touch down back down to earth on the black ground, like so. Okay, so while we're in the air, we are going to change our velocity. Okay, and I'm going to make it maybe 0.1 to start with. Again, we can tweak these later on. And we are going to change y again by velocity. Okay, and what this will do, this will become apparent when we run our program. And the final thing we need to do is grab another set. Okay, so when it's all been done and dusted and we've landed on the ground, our velocity and speed is 0, isn't it? Okay, so with these combination of blocks, we're able to implement a very simple gravity system. Okay, so now I'm going to press up. Okay, and as you can see, I'm sort of accelerating quickly and then coming to a stop at the or slow down when I come to the top of my jump, and then I'm accelerating back down to earth like so. And you can see the value of velocity changing and managing the speed in which we jump to start with and the rate in which we fall as well. Anyway, I hope you find this useful, and I hope you're able to use it in your games to make sprite movement a little bit more realistic. Thank you very much, and take care, and bye-bye.